Okay, we got a little bit of a mess here, but we've got most of the frame bolts drilled. We also have the deck ready to go on the top side. We have to flip it back over and put on the roof cement on the exposed wood. It has the wood already has 2 coats of urethane varnish, and I'm going to tape from the wood to the insulation and then put on 2 coats of the wood fiber or roof fiber cement. We got our new 3/4 inch seal tied in. Want to get those run tomorrow. It's a hot and humid one today, so I'm gonna give up this morning. Now the side we have 2 coats of urethane varnish, and that's the left side with the door. And out here I've just put on the second coat on the driver's side with the window, and I've went ahead and drilled our mounting screw holes with the recessed. So the side mounting will be mounted with those, I think probably 1 5/8" screws, and then we have a series of pocket screws coming from the inside, which will also help secure the sidewall. Well, I'll try to get this posted. For my own motivation, I like to post once a week. So to all you do-it-yourselfers out there, happy building and good progress. Well, today we're going to do a little taping and wiring on the underside of the deck. Well, a little bit of that goes a long way. We'll bring you back when we have more progress. Okay, we've got the seams all taped up. And now we'll be starting on the wiring on the drops that go into the tongue box. Okay, we've finished taping up the insulation on the underside of the deck. We've got the cutouts for finishing up the trailer lights. Now shortly here we're going to flip the deck, and we got the pockets for the mounting bolts and the front marker light holes, and the wiring junction box is finished up, and the seal tights are wired out, and we got two DC circuits going up over the top. So hopefully we'll be putting sides on by the end of the week.